Practical approach to Triple C. One author with one collaborator. Title having subtitle. Economics, Principle of Income and Growth by Murray Havens. Edited by Ezra Bowen. Second edition. Card number, accession number. Name of publisher, place of publication, year of publication. How to prepare the different entries. First, main entry. Leading section consists of card number, writing pencil, starts at first vertical. Book number should be written after the class number, double spaces between the. Next, heading section. Here we write the name of the author. Entry element in capital, secondary element in ordinary hand within circular bracket. Entry element means surname of the author. Havens. Starts at second vertical. Havens. Secondary element is given in running hand. Within circular bracket. We are leaving to the title section. Title, subtitle, edition statement, collaboration statement are included in this section. Starts at second vertical, writing ordinary hand. As title. Economics. After this, subtitle of the book, which is preceded by colon. Subtitle rendered only in main entry. It should not be rendered in other entries. Principle of income and growth. The continuation line will commence from first vertical. Thereafter, followed by edition statement. Edition should be written all book index entry including main entry. The numerical number, that is the edition number, written after the word ED. ED, second is ED 2. Full stop. After this, collaboration statement should be written. The descriptive element followed by the word by. Descriptive element means describing the role of the person if it is other than that of author, such as edited, translated, assistant, etc. Edited, rendered, ED. ED followed by the word by. Then the pure name of the collaborator. Write in ordinary hand. Ezra Bowen. Next, note section. In this particular exercise, note section is not given. Assertion number begins at first vertical, bottommost line. Tracing section, back of the main entry card. Let's learn tracing section in last. Prepare the added entries. Class, index, entry. Class index entry consists of 3 sections: leading section, second section, class index number. Leading section consists of subject entry, writing capital, starts at first vertical. Economics. Second section, directing words, starts at second vertical. For documents in this class and its subdivision, see the classified part of the catalog under the class number. Third section, class index number. Class number is written in pencil in the right side of the card. Next, book index entry. Author, book, index, entry. Leading section, second section, card number. Leading section consists of author entry. Entry element in capital, secondary element in ordinary hand within circular bracket, starts at first vertical. Havens, Murray. Second section, title. Starts at second vertical, right in ordinary hand. Included addition statement. Card number is right in pencil in the right side of the card. Is collaborated book index entry. The name of the collaborator mentioned in leading section starts at first vertical, entry element in capital, secondary element in ordinary hand. Bowen, Ezra. The descriptive element should be underlined. It's to be preceded by comma. The descriptive element should not be underlined in title section. Okay. Second section. The heading of the main entry, omitting secondary element, starts at second vertical, right in ordinary hand. Havens, a colon, title, economics, full stop, addition statement. Next section, call number, write in pencil in the right side of the card. Tracing section, back of the tracing section, back of the main entry card, upper card containing class, index, entry, subject of the document, writing, ordinary hand, subject to the rules of grammar, economics. Middle part containing book address entry of the document, author of the document, Havens, Murray. Lower part, cross reference index entry, Bowen, Ezra, comma, ed, underline.